Okay, in this problem here, we're going to be working a simple interest problem. So let's actually go to the website. Alright, so here's the problem. We've got Michael deposited $1,984 in an account paying 11% simple interest for 42 years. Yeah, 11% is pretty high, but just go with me on this. It's asked how much interest was paid out. So in this particular problem here, as you can see, I went up here and hit the hint. It says I is equal to PRT. So you're going to need to know what P is, what R is, and what T is up here in order to find out what I is going to end up being. So let's try to remember some of these numbers here. We got 1,984. 11% for 42 years. Okay, so Michael deposited, it was $1,984, right? So that's going to be the P. That's how much he put in the bank. And so that's going to be 1,984, and we won't, we'll leave off the cents here. Alright, so that's our P. The rate was 11%. So R was equal to 11%, but we're going to move the decimal place over 2 places to the left. So that's going to end up becoming 0.11. And it was for 42 years. So T is 42. So we're going to leave that in years. Alright, and this is all equal to I. So this is the interest. So what we're going to do here is just simply take this number and just multiply these three numbers together to get our final answer. And so how much interest did he earn? Ooh, it's a pretty good chunk of money, $9,166.08. Alright, let's go back to the website and let's hit answer. 9,160. Oh, that's it. Alright, let's look at another one quickly. Okay, sorry, I had switch problems there. Okay, we've got Mitt deposited $8,073 in an account paying 7% simple interest. The amount of interest paid out was $54,250.56. How long was the money in the account? Okay, so we're going to go back to the same formula this time. So that formula we're going to use, calculate the interest, is the principal. Whoops. Well, it doesn't matter what order I put this in. Oh my goodness. Okay, interest, let's go ahead and erase that stuff, is, might as well just put it in the same order. Rate times time. So in this particular case here, we're asking to solve for time in this problem. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get time by itself, and that means I'm going to multiply both sides by 1 over P times R. That would be 1 over P times R right here. So as you can see, those cancel out, right? And so we're left with I over P times R is equal to T. Whoops. Okay, so I just went ahead and wrote it out here. What the principal is, the rate, and the interest. Now the rate was 7%. Remember, we move our decimal place over 2 places to the left. So you go ahead, substitute these guys in, and see what you get for T. And we're going to come back to the website and see what the answer is. So hopefully you get 96 years.